Many brands have their official logos, and many people want their official logos to be made. There are many ways to make logos. In this video, I am going to show you a way in which you can make your own official logos on Android. So, let's begin. So guys, to make the logo you want, you have to download an application called Canva. So I'll just type and show you Canva. So press on the first application, Canva graphic design and poster invitation maker. After, you have to install this app, and after installing this app, just open it. When you open this app, this will show you thousands of designs and templates for your WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and even logos. So these are the designs for your logos, not the actual logos. So you have to choose from these thousands of designs which one is best for your making your logo. So I'll just make a logo for my channel just as an example to show you all. So let's take any one design. There are thousands of designs you can choose from. So now it will load that design. You have to wait a little few seconds till it is loaded. Once it is loaded, you can change the name, change the picture you want. You can put inside a picture you want and do anything which you like. Now it is loaded. You can tap here and press whatever you want. So our channel's name is Gaming and Android Tech. So we'll put S over here, and here we'll put Sated, and here we'll put something done. And not only that, you can change its font also. But I'll show you. You can change its font, you can change its color, whichever. There are thousands of fonts. After you select your font, you can change the color of it, what you want, which color. Let's take green. No, yellow is fine. So you can change its spacing also, how large you want, how small you want. You can change the, if you want it bold or medium, anything you can change, and this also will change. For the time being, I'll put tag here. So once you have done this, you can actually make a nice logo out of it. You can change the color of this also. Oh, I think this is okay. So after doing that, you can edit and put many designs also for that, like graphics also. You can put many graphics which from where you can put to your logo. The stars, there are columns. Let's take this one. You can make it large, delete it. So see, it's very nice logo. It's looking very nice. You can now edit it whatever you want, like whichever you like. You can change its transparency also. You can change the color of this thing also. Once you have done with that, you can add image also to it. You can type a text also. Whatever you want, you can do it here. I'll put a mobile photo type here. So once you have put the mobile, you should reduce its transparency till you get a nice logo image. And after you have satisfied your needs, once you are satisfied with the logo, you have to press the small button on the right corner. Now it's saving it to your gallery. You can access to it anytime. In this way, there are thousands of designs. You can make anything of it, any logo you want.